All right, kids, we're going to talk about how to polish shoes. Here you go, life hack. First thing you want to do is take a paper towel or something, get all the dirt, debris, everything off of them. You know, anything off of there. You see, I did this one. I didn't quite do that one. You need shoe polish, kiwi shoe polish. If you got brown shoes, get brown polish. All right, black shoes, black polish. You're gonna want to take something, stick it into the toe.
What did you just stick in there?
Just a sock is perfect for it. You just stick a sock down in there, stuff it in there as far as you can, so it's solid. Not like that way you can get a hard shine. All right. I just use just a regular old sock, turned inside out, you know, with the fuzz on it.
Oh, so you're going to use a sock to dig into the polish?
Yeah, that's what we're going to put the polish on.
Okay.
I'm actually going to do it this way. Better way to do this is take it like this. Just kind of put your finger on it like that. So you got more sock and you got a little more grip on it.
Okay.
One finger into the polish. This polish is a little old. It's cracked, but that doesn't matter.
How much is a can of shoe polish?
Like $1.
$1? How much? Now, how much did you dig out of there?
Just enough to get, you know, it doesn't matter. You gotta do a whole bunch to start. All right. So here we are, clean shoe. Just small circles. Circle, circle, circle. Rub them in. You've heard the expression spit shine.
Yeah.
It is an actual thing. There are enzymes in your saliva that actually help break the polish, and that makes it shine more. If you want to be a lady or a gentleman and you don't want to spit, you don't have to do that. You can just use a little bit of water. Very small amount of water. All right, so again, you want to get them all sparkly, you're going to have to do this several times. You got to rub that polish in there. That quick shine stuff that they sell is very bad for your shoes. If you have real leather shoes, it'll make the leather crack.
Oh, you mean like the stuff that's like in like a stick or something, or like a squeegee bottle type of thing?
Right, exactly.
So, okay. Already, here, take your finger away, Wesley. Already, the top of that shoe is way better. Can you do this part? Because this part is way... Yeah, look at the difference. Let's put them next to each other. Can you do this part? Because this part really needs it, and that's where I can see it most.
Okay.
And I think they'll be able to see the difference more.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have a cat, be careful, because the cat will eat your shoelaces. Get it, kitty, get it.
Hold on, I'm trying.
That's okay. I'll edit this up.
Okay. This posture is a little dry, but it's all right. Okay. You want to start doing it?
So, Wesley, how often should you shine your shoes?
Well, if you do it like this on the polish, you're going to get scuffs. It'll look like little scratch marks. All you gotta do is get that polish out again and just rub in circles again over the scuff marks on them. And then you can just do them whenever you get a scuff. Also makes them more water resistant, protects the leather, and make your shoes last a whole lot longer.
You were telling me a story one time about going in for a job interview.
Yeah, it was, I was in the loop, and it was me and this other guy. And one of the comments, and the guy told me this later, was, like, well, it was between you and so-and-so. And the other manager and I were talking about it, and he said, did you see that guy's shoes? Like, that guy polishes those shoes every day. And that was one of the things that got me in the door. It's not a joke. You look at it like this. What if you had like a Ferrari and you washed and waxed the heck out of the whole car, but then you didn't do anything to the tires, so your tires are all gross looking? Tell you, if you got a nice suit on and your shoes look bad.
Okay, hang on, ready? Oh, ow, you got some of that on me. Okay, really quick, Wesley, hold on. Put that other shoe up next to this shoe that you and seriously, you haven't been polishing this shoe for very long. You just have been doing it for like a minute. And look at the difference between those two shoes. Like, I don't want to cast a shadow, but look at the difference between those two shoes. Like, what shoe would you like to be wearing? That's awesome.
Okay, now, again, this was really quick. You need to do this. It'll probably take you a good 45 minutes to an hour to really get in there, you know, for both the shoes. Something else I have here.
Kitty.
No secret. This was...
Oh, this is a good secret. Watch out, Kitty. We're getting secrets.
It's taught to me by a full-blown colonel of special forces. This is a sponge. You can use like a old makeup sponge or even a dish sponge if it's a relatively soft one, not the big abrasive kind.
This sponge is one of my old beauty blenders.
All right, and as goofy as it might sound, pantyhose.
It's one of my old pieces of pantyhose.
So, I don't know what the method is really with this madness, but it works very well, and you'll see. Well,
so you've already polished it with your sock and your finger and your and your polish, and now what are you gonna do? You're just gonna buff it?
Yep.
Holy crap, look at it shine. Wow, look at that. Put the other shoe next to it. Hold on, I'm gonna move because I'm putting shadow. Look at those two. Versus, look at that. And like Wesley said, you said, Wesley, that usually this will probably take, in order to do a really good job on one shoe, especially with the level of scuff that this one's got, it's going to take you like a good half an hour to an hour to get a good shine on it.
Right. Well, practice makes perfect. You saw how quickly I did that.
Yeah, but that was only like 5 minutes, and you made it look like way better. Just in 5 minutes. With how much does that cost?
I think this is like $1.
With $1 can of shoe polish and an old beauty blender sponge and the toe of an old pair of pantyhose and a sock. and you went from this grossness, look at how gross that is, to that shininess. Awesome. Thank you, Wesley.
Welcome, dear.